Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go through Euro Yen, but just going to start here on Euro Oz. We're still in this position as price retested this 4-hour zone just through here. So we can see that price is moving to the upside, but on this 4-hour time frame in particular, it's failing to really make any new higher highs. It just keeps struggling. It comes back to this level here, breaks down, and then it's just struggling on the clear higher high. We're still getting higher lows, which is great. So what you can look to do is either move your stops to break even. You could even look to bank the position because you're about 1.7 R up on this, or leave for full targets. Okay, so what we may see is on this daily time frame, if we do get that nice bullish close, we could see that continuation into tomorrow. Obviously, this 4-hour is one that we really want to keep an eye on, this 4-hour trend through here. But at the moment, the market is kind of getting stuck. Even if we look left, we can see why. This market found resistance here and support more recently, and some resistance a couple of weeks or a couple of days ago. So price here for me needs to do one or two things. If we do get that breakout, then great, we can hold that trade. If we do start seeing that bearishness, and in particular if we do start seeing any kind of breaks in trend, then we might have to consider taking profits on this move. Okay, because I'm looking at it and it's just kind of working within a little bit of a upward sort of channel at the moment, some kind of consolidation. So what I want to see is price continue and break it to the upside. Strength and weakness still says, continue to look for that buy, which is good. So we'll continue to hold this position, but there's a couple of different options there you can look at. Euro Yen was the Blueberry Jam trade last night. Price formed a nice head and shoulders here on the 4-hour time frame. Now if I go to the daily, you can see that price broke through, formed a new low, pulled back, and it pulled back into this zone over here. So you can see the market found support and resistance really recently around about this 116.35 area, and really nice rejection on that daily candle. Now we're starting to see a push to the downside. 4-hour time frame, really good head and shoulders pattern showing us that change in cycles. So what we really want to see is price pulling back into that key zone. Okay, so keep an eye on this area here. So where our entry is, and around about 15.93. If price pulls back into that zone, we could look for lower time frame entries or our trade to trigger. So keep an eye on that. Expecting price to come and retest these swing lows on the daily time frame. So what I'm really looking for is if price does extend down into that daily time frame lows, what does it do next? Okay, does it break, does it bounce, or what? So keep an eye on this. This could be a chart to really focus in on for those short opportunities if we do get that real nice 4-hour trend continuation. It does look likely that we are going to get a pullback just due to the makeup of the candlesticks at the moment, in terms of the very low ranging, some wicks coming into play. That would suggest price is bouncing, especially if you look left and you've got these lows just through here to contend with this level, this minor resistance. So you can see resistance, support. Will it act as support again in the short term for price to bounce from? Let me just make this a little bit thicker so you can see that. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at just through there. If price reacts from there, look for that 115.90 and our entry to be an area of resistance for another leg lower. So that's been a breakdown of Euro Yen. Hope you enjoyed this video update, and I'll speak to you in the next one.